Yo, what it do? Man, y'all just seen that video, man. She on her little mama on a date at the sugar factory. And she got a broke ass man with her. She got a broke ass boyfriend with her. Ain't got no goddamn money. And got her suffering like that. Y'all ain't no goddamn sense right there. Have y'all ever been to the sugar factory before? They have some good food. They drink. They specialize in their drinks. The little, I can't think of the name of the drink, but they put the, what is this called? The ice and I can't think of the name of it, but it makes it foams up. Not foam up, but smoke it. It's like one of their special drinks. I ain't gonna lie though, boy, that drink by goddamn about $30, $40. Shit. Oh, brother, he was that shit right there. Yeah, sorry, baby, I can't afford that tonight. Shit, I just spent my last $60 on this meal. Shit. Hell no. Then plus another $40 on a drink? Baby, you want to look at that. He turned his head like he ain't see that motherfucker. Shit. She was sick behind that though, boy. Yeah, man, when you go on these dates though, man, you fellas, I'm telling y'all better at least have you about a good. If you plan on going to a good restaurant, and you know it's expensive, whatever, your ass better have you at least $150, $200. Don't have no $50 think it's gonna be alright. You go there, you get your appetizer, and you let her get the meal. But the whole time your ass hungry as motherfucker, and you like, man, I hope she don't ask for no appetizer, man. Yeah, can I get an appetizer? God damn, why she get the appetizer? She just threw me in the negative now. Shit happens though, man. This shit happens. And shame on that brother, man. Got that girl out there suffering, man. She want that damn drink. Video that probably went viral. She probably talking about your ass now. Yeah, that's my thoughts on that right there. I'm E.T. Washington, man. Don't forget to like, subscribe, go to my videos, comment, and I'll engage with you. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the Couples channel. I'll put the link in the description. And I'm out. Peace.